Context variables. Before going into context variables, let's see what is a variable. We know constant variables. Constant variables are values which doesn't change. They remain same all the time. Whereas context variables, before going into context variables, let's see what variables are. Variables are nothing but values which change throughout the execution of a program. For example, a variable can have a value of 5 at the beginning of the program. In the middle, you might assign a different value, or you might change that value to something else. So by the end of the program, you might have different value for the same variable a. So what is a context and what is a context variable? Context is nothing but when we design these jobs, we execute these jobs in different environments. Let's assume we have a job A and we designed it in the development area. But then after developing it in dev, we test it, and then once testing is done, then we move the job to either UAT, and then after that then to production. When we tested it in development area, we might use some, for example, if we are reading from a database, we will connect to a development database. If we hard coded the values in the job, what happens when you move the code to UAT? Do you use same development credentials in the UAT? Will you use same development credentials in the production? No, we don't. So for that reason, what we will do is we parameterize those values. We parameterize those values that we think they change according to the environment. So when we are in UAT, we want the UAT values. When we are in production, we want the production values. So we pass parameters for such variables because they change according to the environment. So here, this type of management, it's called a context. For example, production and UAT is a context, and development area is a context. So a context is characterized by parameters. As I said, these parameters are mostly context sensitive variables, which will be added to the list of variables for reuse in component specific properties on the component view. Similarly, we have global variables. Global variables are variables which can be accessed by any module or function. So we have system global variables which are given by Talend by default, and we can also create user defined global variables. Why do we have to create context variables? As I said, to make code reusable, which means by creating contexts and by creating parameters inside the context, what we are doing is we are making the same code reusable in different environments. Instead of changing the code according to that environment, we are making it reusable. The most and with that, when you are running your job on command line, you can pass parameters to a job using the context variables. We will see how we will do all those things. We can set the context variables in many places. We can set context variables in the code.